Hello, welcome to All About Stocks, and today we're going to be going over the QQQ, the DIA, and the SPY, and make sure to look at my links down in the descriptions. You can see how to earn free Bitcoin, and here we are. So, as many of y'all do know, the Fed will be meeting here shortly, make some of their biggest decisions coming up. Some say the biggest decisions of the year. Some say biggest decisions the next 10 years. Deciding if we're going to have a roaring 20s or a dirty 20s, I guess it'd be. So here we are. So I was showing y'all earlier what I had going on here, where I did the quarters, and I am trying to fix it up a little bit. Now, the Fed is meeting. I believe it's earlier today. It's kind of like a pre-meeting, and they will be discussing everything. And then I think what they're going to end up doing is doing like a vote, and then Jerome Powell will kind of end up deciding everything, and then deciding if he's going to do a rate increase or not. That's going to be tomorrow, and they're going to come out and tell everyone on Friday. So quarter three ends on the end of June. That'd be July 1st is when quarter three ends. Let me move that here. So I am trying to still fix all this up, make it look a little bit more nice. So now I think a lot of people are predicting that Jerome Powell is going to increase rates. You do have Bitcoin increasing, not much, but it's starting to increase. Now keep in mind, you don't have full inflation here yet. A lot of inflation still stuck in containers or shipping. There's not full shipping done yet. What's going on is they don't have all their shipping or enough shipping containers to move it. So what they're trying to do is, or it's getting stuck in transport. So a lot of the inflation is getting moved over into places like Walmart or into the container shipping. So once full shipping gets up and going, then you're going to get your full inflation moved into places like Walmart, Target, Home Depot. And Home Depot, to curb their inflation, they went ahead and they rented out their own container ship. They've been talking about this a lot. They're trying to curb it so that they don't have to move up their prices. Now, I think that's great of Home Depot. It'd probably be a great stock to go ahead and purchase while you can. But I do think that we've already reached our all-time high. I think that for the year, we're going to go ahead and hit that all-time high if Jerome Powell does increase rates. If not, stocks might move a little bit higher. You might see S&P go just a little bit higher. QQQ might just go a little bit higher. You've already seen DIA start dropping. And if you look back in history, you start seeing DIA drop just before SPY starts dropping, and then QQQ starts dropping. They're just, one after another starts dropping. It doesn't always happen like that, but usually. So I I would speculate, and that's all it is my speculation. Everyone has their own, but I would think that for the year we're going to be stagnant, or we've already reached our all-time high. Everyone's already thinking, hey, we have massive inflation, and once Jerome Powell goes, hey, we're going to go ahead and raise rates, then it's going to drop. All stocks, just everything's just going to go ahead and drop. So I'd say just go ahead and start saving. Once it hits the bottom, then that's when the time is to buy. Buy the stocks you can, or you can go ahead and figure out if you're the type of person to buy puts. Puts are a great way to make money. Me personally, I'm trying to buy puts right now for this upcoming Friday, for when if Jerome Powell does go ahead and raise rates. But that's me personally. I don't recommend anyone else does it, just because that's also a great way to lose money. I've lost a lot of money doing it, more than my wife wants to talk about or anyone else does. Now, I do want to ask everyone to go ahead and look at the links in the description. It does help this channel. And also there's a link for PayPal. It's a great way for you to earn free Bitcoin. And it does, like I said, it helps support this channel. And if you do have any comments, or you have anything you'd like me to go over, please go ahead and leave a comment below. So thank you, and have a great day.